Hi, my name is John Wang. I'm the CEO of IAdea. So we are a leader in digital signage, media players, and integrated displays. At this show, at ISE, we're very excited to introduce a whole new line of desk booking products. So these little devices sit at the edge of the desks or on top of partitions to indicate the status of the desk availability. By simply clicking a button, the user can easily book a desk for use and can easily release that. This is a kiosk that shows the status of the room to indicate which ones are available for booking. On the top here, the back-end analytics from our partner Pronester is showing space utilization graphs, so it gives the space owner a very clear indication of how the space is being utilized. So for more information on this product, please visit our website, www.iadea.com. Thank you.